How do we add these three fractions? We must first get the denominators the same. That is, we must find the least common multiple of 24, 36, and 54. Here we've listed the multiples of each. 54 times 1 is 54, times 2 is 108, and so forth. The least common multiple is the smallest number that will be in all three rows, and that turns out to be 216. So the LCM of the three numbers is 216. Let's go through one other method for finding the LCM. This is the prime powers method. We first factor each integer, 24, 36, and 54, as a power of prime. For instance, 24 is 8 times 3, which is 2 to the third, or 2 cubed, times 3, or 3 to the first. Then we look at all primes that occur in any factorization, and we take the largest power. For 2, the biggest exponent is 3. And for 3, the biggest exponent is also 3. So this is the LCM. 2 cubed times 3 cubed, and that turns out to be 216. Finally, we must rewrite each fraction with the denominator of 216. We must multiply the top and the bottom of each fraction by the same number. 24 goes 9 times into 216, so we must multiply the top by 9 as well. We get 1 times 9, and that's 9. 36 goes 6 times into 216. Therefore, we have to multiply 5 times 6, giving us 30. 54 goes 4 times into 216, so we multiply the top by 4, giving us 28. Now at last we can add the three fractions, for they have a common denominator. So we get 67 over 216. And that's the answer, and thanks for watching.